Hello students, today we are going to start a new series on MS PowerPoint 2016. We will learn the PowerPoint in multiple chapters. All the videos are divided into multiple lessons, so stay tuned for latest update. This is the basic information related to this MS PowerPoint video. The things which we are going to learn in this particular lesson, that is, what is MS PowerPoint, how to start MS PowerPoint, and some of the tools, that is, quick introduction to quick access toolbar, title bar, tab, ribbon, slide pan, slide, placeholder, status bar, and etc. After each lesson, you will be getting online test link so that you can test your understanding. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe the channel now, and also hit the bell button to get the latest update. Here we are having a list of different versions of MS PowerPoint. Actually, MS PowerPoint, the second version, was introduced in May 19. All the PowerPoint which are listed here are GUI programs. A GUI program are those programs where we are using mouse. The full form of GUI is Graphical User Interface. MS PowerPoint are used in school, colleges, companies, factories, seminars. What is the purpose of a presentation? Actually, a PowerPoint presentation is a mixture of text and video. It has been said that photos or videos are much more informative than the text. Now, what is PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a presentation tool. A presentation program is a software package used to display information in the form of slideshow. Now, here we are getting a new word named as slide. What is slide? I'm sure you know that a book is a collection of pages. Same way, a presentation is a collection of slides, where presentation is represented by book and slide is represented by page. How to open MS PowerPoint? The most frequent way in which everybody is opening PowerPoint is click on Start button, go to All Program, go to MS Office, and then click on MS PowerPoint, and now your PowerPoint is open. But that is the long way to open PowerPoint. The best and the shortest way to open MS PowerPoint is click on Start button, write PowerPoint, and then click on OK button, and now your PowerPoint is open. Let's go to the main window. Here's the Start button. This is the search bar. Right here, PowerPoint, and click on OK button. And now the first screen is being opened. Now this first screen is divided into three parts. The left hand side, it is showing Home button, New button, and Open button. And in the right hand side, we are having blank presentation and the templates. Blank presentation, that means you are not going to get any design by the PowerPoint. It's you who have to design it. Then these are the templates. Now what is template? Templates are pre-designed presentation which you can use in your presentation. Only you have to change the text as per your requirement. This area is showing the files which you are recently using it. Let's go to blank presentation. Now this is the first screen when you are clicking on the blank presentation. The topmost area is known as a title bar. The reason why it is known as a title bar, because it is going to tell you the title of the presentation or of the program. Currently you have not saved any file, so by default they will be giving you the name of presentation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If you save this file, the file name will be coming here. On clicking on this, you can hide your toolbars or the ribbons while working on a presentation. This part is known as a quick access toolbar. That means if you want some tools which are very frequently to used by you can be on this particular bar. To insert or to delete new tools, click on this arrow. Let's say I need a new button. Click on new. New option is here. Now you can see some of the tools are having tick mark. That means those tick mark tools are already inserted in the quick access toolbar. This is known as a tab. By default, home tab is selected. Under each tab, we are having ribbons. Home tab, insert tab, we are having ribbons. Design tab, again we are having ribbon. Transaction tab, we are having ribbons. Under this ribbon, we are having multiple controls. That is clip art control, slide control, font control, and so on. So here we can have multiple controls. After this, if I'm coming to the next section, again this is divided into two parts. On the left hand side, this part is known as a slide pane. It is used to insert or to delete the slides. In fact, you can change the place of slides also, but you can't edit any of the slide on this particular pane. If you want to edit any slide, you have to come to the right hand side. This is your slide, the first page. It is a blank because you have selected blank presentation. This is known as a placeholder. The first one is saying click to add title bar. Let's say MS PowerPoint and then subtitle. Let's say presentation. So this is the thing where you can write it. It's not necessary that you have to write the subtitle. It depends on your choice. Depending on your presentation, you can add it or you leave it. Now, I'm having this block so much big. I can increase or decrease the size of this placeholder. To increase or decrease the size, you take your mouse to this circle part. You'll see that now arrow is converted into two-headed arrow. This means you can increase or decrease the size of this placeholder. Now you want to place it some other place, not here. To change the place of a placeholder, you take your mouse pointer to this part. You'll see that the arrow is converted into four-headed arrow. That means it is ready to take your placeholder to any other place. Let's say on the top and this one at the bottom. So here you can add multiple things. In fact, if you want to add picture, you can go to tab, that is insert tab, and from there you can insert picture. You can insert some other things. You can insert chart, you can insert smart art, you can insert shape, many things you can do. Then this below part, this is known as a status bar. In a status bar, it is telling you the status of your presentation, in which language you are using, how many pages you are using, and so on. Then we are having notes and comments. Here you can write the things related to your slide or your presentation, but those things won't be displayed on the presentation. These are the types of views which we will discuss it in some other lesson. This is known as a zoom, where you can increase or decrease the size of your page. To zoom in, zoom out. It works like a magnifying glass. On the right hand side, you can see the scroll bar, and on the bottom hand side, you can see the scroll bar. To insert a slide, press Ctrl+ M. See, you can add a new slide. If you want to change the place, you just drag it to the top, and now you have changed the place. The first slide is now second and the second slide is in a first position. In fact, you want to delete it, just select that slide, press the delete button, and now it is deleted. Let's say I want to save this file. Browse. Let's say I want to save this file on desktop, name as text test1. Save. Yes. Now you can see that earlier it was displaying presentation 3, but now I have given its name as test1. Now it is telling me that the file name is test1.pptx. Test1 is the file name and pptx is the extension of the PowerPoint. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the basic of MS PowerPoint. Please do check your understanding by clicking on online test. Thank you. Have a nice day.